Hi, my name is Sebastian Bielski and I'm the CFO of Smava. Today I have the honor and pleasure to introduce Smunch to you. I know Shivram and Oliver, the founders, since a couple of years because we used to work together at Delivery Hero. So I know that they're great guys and also internationally renowned experts in their field. I also know Smunch as a customer because since a couple of weeks our company uses Smunch and it's an absolute outstanding service and I can recommend it to everybody. So I'm super convinced that Smunch is going to be the next big thing in online food ordering and you guys are in for an absolute treat today getting to know them. So go Smunch!
Last but by far the least, not just an amazing entrepreneur, he also has a passion for hummus and jumping out of airplanes. Please give it up for Shiv.
Hi, I'm Shivram and I love food. In fact, I love food so much that 10 years ago, I looked like this. Yep, that's me. So at the age of 23, I was 110 kilos and I stepped into the gym for the first time. So I decided to start eating healthy. Over the next 3 years, while working for a startup fund in Bombay that went to $1 billion, do you know what the biggest challenge I faced was? Lunch. Because we had no food around work, which meant I ended up working with 3 different caterers to deliver to me just so it wouldn't get boring. Then in Singapore, while managing a fund that got acquired by KKR, guess what the biggest challenge my team and I faced was? Lunch. Because there, we had a bunch of different food options, which just meant each of us would go down and wait in line for 20 minutes just to pick up the food. Then in Berlin, where I was managing the international operations for Delivery Hero, I led a market research project with McKinsey, which showed that globally, all the food startups had a majority of their orders on dinner and weekends. So as a company, how do you solve this lunch problem for 200 of your employees? You could try investing $500,000 in a canteen for food no one likes. Or you could try using an online service. But it's really hard to deliver 200 lunches at a time using a bicycle. And that's when I decided it was time to hack lunch. Introducing Smart Lunch, Smunch, the future of the canteen, which is not having a canteen. Here's how simple it is for each of the 200 employees to choose their own food. And that's it, because Smunch takes care of everything, from planning the menu, to collecting all the orders in advance, to delivering it at a time chosen by the company. So you get a fantastic variety of food from one new restaurant each day at work. It's like having a new chef in office every day. And all of this is made super affordable. So while the food might cost about 12 euros in the restaurant, thanks to Smunch, you get it at a much more attractive price. And on top of that, thanks to payroll integrations and tax benefits, each employee pays €4.90 per lunch, and this is before the company even pays for anything. All of this makes Smunch a very attractive, a win-win-win solution for everyone involved. The companies are happy because it's a great way for the teams to eat together without the need for investment. The employees love it because it's a fantastic variety of food, and it's super affordable. And of course, the restaurants are delighted because they get these large orders in advance, and it leaves the restaurant before peak lunch rush. Smunch currently targets medium-sized businesses, which means that each drop-off location, we have large orders, and these orders are recurring in nature, almost like a subscription. We've been operational just for about over half a year now, and we've seen incredibly strong month-on-month growth. And we've become the go-to lunch solution for companies like Smava with 160 employees and teams at KPMG, Zalando, and more. But these are just a small part of the €80 billion corporate lunch market globally. And there's more in kindergarten, schools, and colleges, and hospitals and old age homes. Our journey has begun in Berlin, and we are expanding to Frankfurt, Hamburg, and Munich in 2017. We will take this business global, as we've done before at Delivery Hero, where I was managing the international operations and expansion as part of the strategy team. And that's where I met my co-founder, Oliver, who was the general counsel for the last 4 years. And we have an incredible team who makes this possible, who we worked together with even before Smunch. We are really excited for you guys to experience the future of the canteen. There's Smunch in the Q&A room. I'll see you there. Thank you.